how to turn off automatic dubbing on your YouTube channel. So if you want to go and turn off the automatic dubbing feature, then we first just need to click on our profile icon in the top right hand side and then select YouTube Studio. Now there's two different things you need to do here. The first one is if you click on settings in the bottom left hand side, you can then select upload defaults, click on advanced settings, and then scroll down to automatic dubbing. Now to go and disable dubbing on all future uploads, you can disable allow automatic dubbing, and that will stop any future videos from automatically being translated. You can then just press save in the bottom right hand side. Now if you're trying to watch a video and you want to disable automatic dubbing, then what you'll need to do is just go and select that video. Now once you've selected a video, you can hover over it and click on settings. You can then select audio track, and then you can go and select the language that you want to view this video in. Now to go and listen to this in the original version, you can see it says original next to this particular soundtrack. So that's how you turn off automatic dubbing on YouTube. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.